Winner of the 2021 TIDA New Zealand Renovation of the Year is Angelique Armstrong of Armstrong Interiors.
Earthquake damage to this 1970s home meant it required complete renovation, but the designer/owner set out to retain as much of its original mid-century character as possible. The existing H-shaped floor plan had living spaces at one end, bedrooms at the other, and a corridor linking the two, still an ideal arrangement for a contemporary family lifestyle. The cladding includes original textured bricks that butt up to dark window frames and rimu soffits. Inside, the living areas and kitchen have been opened up and now take full advantage of the northerly aspect and elevated position on the sloping site. A unique feature of the home is a 4-metre high brick-clad cone in a highly prominent position on the plan. This has been retained and still houses a bathroom, though it has been substantially renovated. The TIDA judges were impressed with how this gem of a home has been revamped while still maintaining a comfortable, lived-in ambience and paying homage to the best aspects of the original design. Congratulations to Angelique Armstrong of Armstrong Interiors, winner of the TIDA New Zealand Renovation of the Year.
Hello Paul, and thank you very much for this award. I'd just like to take the time to thank TIDA and also Builder and Grove, my builder, and Lacey, one of my staff members that helped me work on this project. This home is very special. It was built in 1972, and the architecture with the cone turret through the centre of the home was one of my favourites to work with. So that space is actually the powder room, and it's got a freestanding bath, and it's just a wonderful, airy feeling to be standing in the middle of that room. The unique features of this home I wanted to work with and build it into the modern day living that we have, open plan and warm and comfortable to live in. So once again, I'd just like to thank you, TIDA, for the award.